Hi all, welcome to HexaCorp. In today's session, we are going to discuss about SharePoint Workflow Retirement 2010 and mainly focusing on the impacts and preparation. In July 2020, Microsoft announced that they are going to retire SharePoint 2010 workflows from SharePoint Online tenants. Microsoft has taken this decision as it is investing heavily on Power Automate and Power Platform in whole as business process solution. Starting August 1st, 2020, SharePoint 2010 workflow feature will be turned off for newly created SharePoint Online tenants. From November 1st, 2020, existing SharePoint Online tenants will not have the ability to create new SharePoint 2010 workflows or execute existing SharePoint 2010 workflows. By February 2021, SharePoint 2010 workflow feature will be removed completely from all SharePoint Online tenants. Microsoft will continue to SharePoint 2013 version of workflows, though they are deprecated. From November 2020, SharePoint 2013 workflows will be turned off by default for new tenants created in SharePoint Online. The recommendation from Microsoft for SharePoint 2013 workflows is to migrate them to Power Automate or other supported solutions. If your business is running SharePoint Server version 2016 or 2019 on premises, then SharePoint 2010 workflows will remain supported until 2026. However, you will have to consider modern workflow tools if you have plans of moving to SharePoint Online. If your business is utilizing Nintex workflow platform for your business process and are in SharePoint Online, you will not be impacted by the SharePoint 2010 workflow retirement. However, you will have to start considering options as Nintex for SharePoint Online uses SharePoint 2013 workflow engine, which might be retired soon. Because of the SharePoint 2010 workflow retirement, workflows that were created using SharePoint Designer tool will cease to work. Also, business processes created with out-of-the-box SharePoint workflow templates will be affected. This includes approvals, collect feedback, collect signature, classic pages publishing approval, 3-state, disposition. You will be impacted by SharePoint 2010 workflow retirement if your business is already in SharePoint Online and have SharePoint 2010 version workflows for managing your processes. If you are in SharePoint 2013, 2016 or 2019 on premises and have SharePoint 2010 version workflows for managing your processes and are planning to migration to SharePoint Online in the near future. The official guidance from Microsoft is to utilize the free modernization scanner tool provided by Microsoft to identify legacy SharePoint 2010 and 2013 workflows in your SharePoint Online tenant. After you have identified the legacy SharePoint workflows in your sites, then you have the options of migrating them to Power Automate or other supported third-party solutions such as Nintex. If your business is impacted by SharePoint 2010 workflow retirement, you can be better prepared by assessing your environment, planning for alternate solutions, and communicating the change with your users. Thank you all. Hope this session was informative. Kindly subscribe our channel for further training session and the discussions with us.